Ayethe
Nina bekunene
wena waphakathi.
sekhutha umsindo sicela kwekhutha umsindo bekunene sicelile ukuthi manenithi kubinza kancane kuseta ukhuluma emakhosi kulesikhathi lesi siyacela ngekuthoba nje bekunene umsindo awehle bayethe wena waphakathi.
Your Majesty King Yemaswati III of the Kingdom of Eswatini. Your Majesty the Queen Mother of the Kingdom of Eswatini. Your Majesty King Lepsi III of the Kingdom of Lesotho. Your Excellency Ian Khama, former President of the Republic of Botswana. Your Excellency Jacob Zuma, former President of the Republic of South Africa. Your Excellency Prime Minister Dlamini of the Kingdom of Eswatini. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I brought you the greetings from the people of Taiwan. It is a true honor to be here again in Eswatini, and for such an auspicious occasion, that is the double celebration of the 55th year of the Eswatini's independence and the 55th birthday of His Majesty King Yemaswati III. On this important day, I wish a sincere congratulations to all Yemaswati. Indeed, it is an important day for both our countries. Shortly after this day in 1968, the Republic of China, Taiwan became one of the first diplomatic allies of the newly independent Swaziland. History brought us together, and our warm friendship and mutual goodwill have kept us together these 55 years. Over that time, our relationship has only grown closer. His Majesty the King has visited Taiwan 18 times since his ascension, and I have had the pleasure of receiving him a number of times in Taiwan. I recall on his visit last year, he said that Taiwan has become, for him and other Yemaswati, a home away from home. It is my pleasure to echo that sentiment, as I have been made to feel right at home here in the Kingdom of Eswatini. I still have fond memories. Thank you. I still have fond memories of my first visit to Eswatini in April 2018. The hospitality of your people, their warmth and joy are just as present to me now as they were then. Now, 5 years later, being able to stand in your beautiful country again and witness Eswatini's continued growth and development, I have great pride for everything you and your people have accomplished and how you have overcome difficult circumstances. Throughout it all, we have been proud to be an important partner to Eswatini. For more than 5 decades, this partnership has been the epitome of progress and development. Our collaboration on rural electrification has been so successful that Eswatini is now the second most electrified country in Africa. with 82% of its people having access to electricity. In the Sibaya held just this past July, His Majesty the King even noted that with such high levels of electrification, now everything is in the light. And I am confident of an even brighter future for Eswatini. As close friends, we share similar goals for the future. We both care deeply about young people and their education, which form the bedrock of any society. Taiwan has welcomed many students from Eswatini to study at our universities. In fields as diverse as agriculture and education, management and medicine. And it is wonderful to see that many of these students are returning home, contributing to society and helping prepare the next generation of professionals. Another issue close to my heart is gender equality and women's empowerment. So I'm very happy to have a kindred spirit here in Her Majesty the Queen Mother, who is doing her utmost to raise the level of economic empowerment for women in Eswatini. To this end, Taiwan and Eswatini signed a memorandum of understanding for cooperation on women's empowerment in 2019 in an effort to give women more access to the financial services they need to succeed. To continue this meaningful cooperation, Taiwan will be assisting in setting up a women business startup microfinance revolving fund in hopes of helping Her Majesty in her quest to uplift the women in Eswatini. Being back among such steadfast friends, I must also take the opportunity to thank Eswatini for supporting Taiwan's participation in international organizations. Last year, His Majesty the King once again spoke up for Taiwan's meaningful participation at the United Nations General Assembly. Prime Minister Delamini has also voiced strong support for Taiwan on the international stage. On behalf of the people and government of Taiwan, I thank you for your support now and in the future. Thank you. Once again, I wish His Majesty the King a most happy birthday, and I offer my congratulations on the 55th anniversary of your country's independence. I must also congratulate Taiwan and Eswatini on our 55th year of our diplomatic relations. And we have worked together and supported each other for over half a century now. Here is to setting and surpassing new milestones on our way to a century of friendship. Siabunga, thank you.